Hello everyone, we are from RCCIT. Our internship topic is COVID-19 prediction using chest X-ray images. I am Rijade and my teammates are.
Hello everyone, I am Rima Hajra.
Hello everyone, I am Riya Kirtan.
Hello everyone, my name is Shumedha Sen.
Pneumonia is a severe lungs infection. According to the WHO, the most severe COVID-19 case is a case of severe pneumonia. The objectives include detection of severe pneumonia with the help of KRAS, TensorFlow, and deep learning. Dataset of X-ray images of both the normal and infected patients are collected, and a CNN model is trained to automatically detect cases with severe pneumonia.
We have used Google Colab Environment TensorFlow with Keras library and Deep Learning's convolution neural network to build the model. We have learned about machine learning, which is a type of artificial intelligence that allows software applications to become more accurate at predicting outcome without being explicitly programmed to do. Libraries packages used in machine learning like TensorFlow, Keras, NumPy, Pandas. Also data visualization, linear regression, logistic regression, deep learning, types of models, ANN, CNN, and application of CNN.
From a collection of extra reports consisting of normal and COVID-19 patients, we have tried to generate a CNN model which categorizes the COVID-19 victims from the non-infected ones. The output of the model is depicted in form of graph. After training the CNN model, we have observed that this model categorizes the patient reports with an accuracy rate of approximately 95% in detecting the COVID-19 victims, 87% in detecting the normal patients, and with an overall accuracy rate of 90%. The following is the output that is obtained from this model.
We have connected our deep learning project with this website. Users have to register themselves and have to upload their chest X-ray image for the detection of COVID-19. We have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript in the front end and Python Flask in the back end. The most important thing is the development of datasets. Medical experts can accelerate the level of evaluation. Trained data scientists and medical experts can bring out more efficiency in this project. So deep learning can be used to meet the high demanding curve of COVID-19 detection. Our target audiences are the elderly people and the people with respiratory disorders. This innovation should be incorporated for the welfare and well-being of the people in general and the society as a whole. It may turn up to be an innovation in detection.
We would like to thank our mentor, Mr. Hiranmoy Rasa, for his immense support and encouragement. We would also like to thank the university for giving us this opportunity to learn new technologies in this rapidly growing domain.
Hi, myself Hiranmoy Rasa. I am happy to be the mentor of this school. Congratulations to them for successfully completing this intensive project, even in this pandemic situation, through online communication. Stay healthy, stay safe. Namaskar.